Hello, good, good morning. I hope all is well, and all my friends. I will pray to God. God keep us always healthy and grateful, and everyone should be have to say thanks to God because without God is no life. So today we are going to talk the virus. In the corona, there is everywhere is now there is virus. I call any name, there is no problem. Even if you say Delta or Corona and COVID-19, whatever else. So I will tell you how do you protect yourself. If you follow me, my instruction, you will be cure yourself. You never get any virus because God give it for us. Everything is nature. So if you believe to God, and I said you want to come healthy, you should be come softness, must be help other peoples. When you are help other peoples, you feel happy, you feel peace. God is great. This life is very important. If you know this, what is this life, and only we can get heaven. After died, nothing. Nobody asking how much you have property, how much you have money. No use. You cannot buy money to in the heaven. Only you can go right path. How do you have to think how to my God will become happy. And God is every nation, every religion, only one God. There is only God. You say Iswar or you say God, you say whatever, we say Allah, or this is only one. Their name is million, another city, another name, but God is one. Jesus is not God. He is only messenger of Allah, messenger of God. Muhammad is not God. He is the messenger of God. So we should be what Jesus is saying, we have to follow. Jesus is saying, don't eat pork. Pork is haram. Don't wear short wearing haram. Don't drink alcohol, because when you drink alcohol, you are making so many problems, so many diseases. So anyway, this is whatever you feel, whatever you like, what you judge, this is up to you. Only we want to say, come good, get good. Always keep your heart softness and be happy, keep peace. So let's start. If you compulsory, you drink ginger tea, never get you any disease. You have thyroid, you have cancer, you have virus, you have flu, you have diabetes, anything. You have heart problems, all you can remove. How do you make ginger tea? You boil, if you one person, you boil 1 cup of water and 1 inch ginger, just crush it and put in the water and boil. And put half calamansi or lemon, whatever you have. Don't put seed inside, and boil it just 5 to 6 minutes, and after take it out, make little bit cool and strainer and put inside. If you have diabetes, you can put, you have honey, you can put honey, you have rock salt, you can put the rock salt. Other you don't have diabetes, you can put sugar or jaggery, whatever else, and you drink compulsory morning and evening. You see benefit. There is lot of benefit. You see, if you make other things, when you eat food, you must eat all the time half inch ginger. You keep your mouth in, just keep like a chewing gum. When you eat food, even diabetes, not diabetes, you keep. Ginger is folic acid. If you have heart disease, you have to take the ginger and turmeric. There is curcumin. There is one chemical. He will burn. You have there your knee paining, your bone paining, your body paining, all you will be protect. And garlic. If you have the what you call this, your cholesterol, the high level. So you should be This one, if you have heart problem, you can use ginger and turmeric and the garlic, because garlic have allicin chemical. Allicin chemical is protecting virus, but we are just talking only for the virus. So we with the heart problem, we'll see the next video. So anybody you have fever, example you are coming fever, you no need to afraid, okay? You no need to afraid. Just you make ginger tea. If you have fever, don't take any medicine. Okay, just keep the cloth, white cloth, keep one here and put in the chilled water, and one you can put here the cotton. The cloth must be cotton. One put in the stomach, so temperature will be go down. Okay, so then you have to drink. What you have to drink? You have to take vitamin C fruits, orange, pineapple. Okay, whatever you get the vitamin C, you eat that one, and you have to drink coconut water. And the first day you can drink the whole day 5-6 glass if you can.